on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Yesterday, the last thing we did inside of our contract was look at the favorites contract.store function, where we're going to store a new number of 33. So let's pick up where we left off. So here we are saying that our new favorite number that we are storing is 33. Note, since we are using the store function, this will be treated as a transaction and cost us gas to send it. Next, we will store our new favorite number in a variable called new favorite number like this. We'll say new favorite number equals favorites contract.retrieve. We're going to use the retrieve function to retrieve our new favorite number that we just stored. Then we will print it out using an F string like this. We'll say print F string, our new number is. We're going to pass in a variable new favorite number, which is holding our new favorite number that we just stored or that we just retrieved from the store. This will print out the new favorite number we just stored as our favorite number. And this is what we will see as we output. As an output, if everything goes successful, you'll see this information here. The last thing we stored was a starting favorite number of 7. You'll see storing number was the last thing I showed you yesterday instead of our contract, letting us know that we are storing a new favorite number. And if you come to the bottom here, you see that our new number is 33, letting us know that the transaction went through and we were able to retrieve our new favorite number that we stored. And this is a snippet of the transactional data that we will see in our Anvil terminal. Now, again, I'll open back up the contract tomorrow and print out the entire code so you can see everything in its entirety live, and I can go over it with you step by step. So stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.